Jakarta, tripping in some sweat because it's muggy out here. What's up? We're going to rehearsal. So apparently, I told my buddy Sandy that I can do Bruno Mars. Any song, I can do all Bruno Mars songs. Okay, I'm like his younger, taller, light-skinned brother. Anyways, a venue out here invited me to perform a tribute to Bruno Mars at the restaurant, the club tonight. So we're going to rehearsal right now. We're gonna rehearse with the band, meet one of the singers. I think there's a female singer who might do a couple duets with me, and we're gonna practice with the band and get ready for our show tonight at Vin Kemang here in South Jakarta. I'll be damned. They might as well call it Vince Plus at this point. Let's go.
I'm Vin Vicari at your service. Let's do it. Come on. Oh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why we watch all night long. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you.
Sweat, man. I always sweat, but I especially sweat here. It's kind of humid here in Jakarta, and everyone smokes inside, so I'm not used to all the smoke inside the club. So everyone was smoking. My guitar player right next to me, he's smoking a cigarette when he's playing. Damn, that's some baller stuff. So thank you to everybody in English. Thank you to everyone in Jakarta who came to see me tonight. I hope they enjoyed the show. I enjoyed myself. A great band, a great singer. So I feel fulfilled.